If you do a lot of Python projects and install all your packages globally, then you might sooner or later find yourself in a dependency hell. This happens when one project needs one version of a package where another project needs another version of the same package. This is where Python virtual environments can save the day. A virtual environment let you to install the packages for a project locally instead of installing them globally. Let's see how to create one. First of all, go to your project directory in the terminal. Then run this following command and give your virtual environment a name. For example, I am calling mine myVNV. Press enter and wait for a few moments until the virtual environment is created. Now, if you go inside your project folder, you will see that a folder with the name of your virtual environment has been created. This folder will store all of the packages for your project locally. Before we can do that, we have to activate our virtual environment in the terminal. To do that, we have to run this command. To check if our virtual environment has been activated or not, we can run this command. If it returns the directory of the virtual environment folder, then our virtual environment has been activated. If it returns nothing, then our virtual environment has not been activated and we have to run the command for activating it again. Now let's try installing a package. The process of installing a package is exactly the same as you would do for installing a package globally. Now, with that package installed, let's try to run our small program that uses that package in our virtual environment. As we can see that our program is running perfectly. Now, if we deactivate our virtual environment by typing deactivate and pressing enter, then we try to run our small program again. We can see that it's not running and cannot find the package that it's depending on. This is how you create and use a virtual environment in Python. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.